How to change Snapchat profile picture. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. And then you'll find public profile at the top. Click on it. Then, in public profile, click on pencil-like option at the top, which will lead you to this. Click on your profile picture with pencil-like icon, which will open your gallery. Select the picture you want to change to. After you have selected, you can move and scale the picture. Then press on confirm at the bottom. And then you're good to go. As you can see, profile picture has been changed. Also, to change Snapchat profile picture, your account has to have public profile. This is how to change Snapchat profile picture. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.